book is Life's a Sales Call. How to Succeed at the World's Oldest Profession. Can you think of a profession older than sales? You can't. Your mind is in the gutter. What are you thinking, Angie?
No.
That's nothing but a sales call, right? Yes. Who was the first salesperson in recorded history? Look at the book.
Yeah.
I'm giving you a hit. Me? No, I'm not that old. I may look old, but I'm not that old. First salesperson in recorded history.
Eve.
Eve, thank you. What was she pitching? She did, but what was she pitching? What was she selling? Apples. Did she get the sale? Kind of a sad day, wasn't it? But she did get the sale. So you think about it. Ever since Moses comes down from Mount Sinai with the 10 the 10 commandments, you know the world has been moved by sales. So understand that it doesn't matter what it says on your business card. Every one of us and every person I train every day, every year is in sales. Think about it. It doesn't have to say sales. If you're a parent, you're training, you're selling your kid on catching the bus, getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning to catch a bus. If you're a student, you're selling your teacher on an A instead of a B, right? So you might as well get good at this thing called sales or biz dev, because we're all doing